Hello friends, today in this video we are going to see about the agriculture field fair. This is our micro project of batch 2021 to 2022 of Government Polytechnic Amravati. So we made our sincere thanks to Professor MP Dakre, who is our guide. We thanks Head of Department Nilesh Shripati sir. We thanks our principal Dr. V.R. Mankar. So let's see our major project. So basically, this is our whole assembly of agriculture wheel sprayer. First of all, I will give you introduction about the components used in this major project. So first of all, this is the axle. This is of 1 meter length. This is the wheel, which is of 60 diameter. This is our handle, which is used to driven this. This is about 44 centimeter length. This is a clutch, which is when we are working, it is used to spray the nozzle, and when we are turning or changing our position, we use this to stop the spray of the nozzle of water or pesticide what we are using. So this is a sprocket. We take this from our auto rickshaw, having 48 teeth. After that, this is the pump of 35 centimeter into 45 centimeter. This is a single piston reciprocating pump which we are using here to spray. Yes, after that, this is the ejector nozzles. This is having approximately 0.2 diameter. After this, we are using this chain. This is a chain drive which we have used. This is a big sprocket having approximately 48 teeth, and this is a small sprocket which is approximately having the 12 teeth. We have used this piping system here. So this is our base plate having dimension of 20 centimeter into 45 centimeter. In this, at the end, in the bottom, we have used this pedestal type of bearing, which is this is a pedestal type of bearing which is passing through the shaft so that the axle will move. At the bottom of the base plate, we have used the two pedestal bearing, and at the top near the small sprocket, we have used the one pedestal bearing to fix this to help and support. So let's go towards the working of this project. So first of all, I will assemble the chain. After assembling of this chain, so I will give the information about the mechanism which is used in this project. Yes, when we rotate or push this our sprayer by handle, this chain will go up and down. Due to this, there is a reciprocating motion occur in this piston. The piston will move up and down. This causes the suction and the compression, and later it is discharged from this nozzle. So when the driver drives this vehicle, due to the motion of the wheel, this causes transmit in the sprocket, and due to the chain attached in it causes rotate, and due to rotation of this piston get reciprocate. Due to this mechanism we have used here, this causes rotating, and the piston will cause suction and the compression, and later it is discharged through this ejector nozzle. This is a single reciprocating pump. It is of capacity of 16 liter. You can use more as per your requirement. And these are the two nozzles. If you want to increase the pressure, you can use approximately 4 or 6 according to your need. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you so much.